I work with horses, and my husband's also here and he's in concreting, so we both do very physical jobs, so we're looking for something not so hard as we get older. Well, I'd been involved with another organisation that were based in London, and as much as the information was good, I felt very isolated in a sense being all the way over here, and I looked at a few different ones, and Alex came across as being very genuine, sending you messages from himself and knowing that people here I can actually call in real time and in Australian hours as well, like not having to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning to join a seminar or something, so a webinar. Where do I start? Well, firstly, a lot of the website links we got, which will be really helpful regarding the advertising, so that's been really, I think, a very valuable piece of information. Just driving home, finding the right product, just getting started, using the first product as a practice. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just actually get going. Spend at least an hour a day moving the business forward and doing something every day. Yeah, absolutely. It's been really useful, and hopefully ask me again in 12 months and I'll be able to give more personal experience, and we'll be coming from an area of being successful.